Hi again, teachers. I'm going to show you a couple of important things that you will need to know today, one of which I didn't learn until the middle of the school year and wish I had known it sooner. There are just a bunch of websites that everybody uses and you just need to have, and the district has bookmarked them for you, so once you get your district machine, you'll be able to get it. It's right up here on your browser. It's this little bookmark tile. And underneath it are just websites that we all have to use at some point. The one I'm going to show you today is Cumulative. Cumulative goes by different names. Some people call it Cumulative, some people call it Q, and some people call it Skyward. I call it Q, most people do, but this is where you will keep track of your grades as well as the attendance for your classes. You log in with your district login. And when you first open this up, yours is going to be blank. It's very customizable. All of the colorful tiles here that you see are things that I have made and have kind of made for myself as I need. This tile here I added. It's very easy to just add things, and you will do that as you go. You'll probably have specific things that you add just for yourself. If you ever get lost while you're in Q, you can always hit the little home and it'll take you back to this screen to start over. It's kind of nice to know that that's there. The menu button here, the 3 bars, it's called the menu. If you open that, it's going to open some panels that you'll likely use regularly, including attendance and, of course, your grade book, creating your assignments, deciding how much they are worth, and then, of course, taking the grades. So that is there for you. Q also will create different reports for you and allow you to print things and rosters and all of that. But what I'm going to show you today is where you can go to sort of learn. If you don't know how to do something, you can kind of learn as you go. And it's over here in the Knowledge Hub. If you open this up and click on the Professional Development Center, when you first do this, you will be forced to create an account. I created one using the same username and password as I currently use with Q. So you'll just go through the process and create it. But these are some courses that you can take to learn how to use the program. I won't say that it's completely user-friendly. You can't just jump in and know what to do. So these are really helpful as you go. So the ones that I would recommend that you take a look at is this Quick Start course for student records. If you just click on the first little button, it'll take you to a little intro video that you can watch. And then after that, it'll give you some tutorials that you can go through and read and see what you need to learn. It'll give you some little directions on what to do. This one is good to look at, as well as the traditional gradebook and teacher access. Again, if you click here, you'll see a little intro video, and from there you can see some little tutorials to read and kind of know exactly what to do. Just wanted to show that to you in case you are jumping in and you're not really sure. This is a great resource. If you use this course page and you ask someone and you just can't figure out your issue, I do want to say that you might need to speak to Mrs. Hawking. She is the district cumulative liaison, and she does house out of the high school. She's very helpful and knows Q inside and out, and I know she could help you if you have a problem that you can't troubleshoot. Hope this helps everybody.